Presumption of innocence. Basic right: everyone accused of a crime is innocent until proven guilty. Burden of proof: it is the prosecutor's job to prove guilt, not the accused's job to prove innocence. Fair trial: the right protects people from punishment without proper evidence and trial. Global principle, recognized in international law, including the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Protects all: this principle safeguards everyone, no matter who they are or where they are from. A fundamental right in law. The presumption of innocence is a cornerstone of justice, enshrined in international law through the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 11, and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. It ensures that every person accused of a crime is considered innocent until proven guilty in a fair trial. Many national constitutions, such as those in Europe, North America, and parts of Asia, explicitly include this protection as a safeguard against wrongful punishment. Why the burden of proof matters. Criminology highlights the importance of placing the burden of proof on the state rather than the accused. Prosecutors must provide evidence beyond reasonable doubt, ensuring that people are not forced to prove their innocence. Without this principle, legal systems risk sliding into authoritarianism, where accusations alone could destroy lives. This safeguard is a check on government power and upholds the integrity of justice. Protecting mental health and human dignity. Being accused of a crime carries severe psychological consequences. Studies show that wrongful accusations can lead to anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress, and social isolation. The presumption of innocence reduces these harms by ensuring accused individuals are treated with dignity until proven guilty. Labeling someone as guilty before trial can cause lasting stigma that persists even after acquittal. Criminological perspectives on wrongful convictions. Criminologists have documented how systems that weaken the presumption of innocence often see higher rates of wrongful convictions. Factors such as coerced confessions, biased investigations, and unreliable eyewitness testimony thrive when courts assume guilt. This principle acts as a barrier against miscarriages of justice and promotes fairness by requiring strong, reliable evidence before punishment. A global principle with uneven application. Although recognized internationally, the presumption of innocence is not equally applied everywhere. In some legal systems, pre-trial detention, media coverage, and public opinion can erode this right, effectively punishing people before trial. Human rights organizations consistently call for reforms to ensure that all legal systems uphold this principle fully and equally. The role of families, communities, and media. Psychology and sociology show that families and communities often judge accused persons prematurely, influenced by stigma or cultural norms. Media reporting can also undermine the presumption of innocence by sensationalizing cases and portraying suspects as guilty before evidence is presented. This societal pressure can worsen the mental health of the accused and their families, compounding the injustice. Why it protects everyone. This principle is not about protecting criminals. It is about protecting society as a whole. By requiring the state to prove guilt, the presumption of innocence ensures that no one is unjustly deprived of liberty. It safeguards the vulnerable, restrains abuse of power, and builds trust in the justice system. Everyone benefits from a system where fairness, not suspicion, determines outcomes.